Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily enable push to talk in Battlefield 2042. So what you want to do is just press escape and go to options on the bottom left. Right here you're gonna have not sound, but you want to have display, general. Next to the general is going to be communication, and then you're gonna have enable voice chat and transmit microphone mode. You want to have push to talk. Now what you want to do next is go to top right and click key bindings, and right here just voice chat left alt, and in the moment when you're gonna click left alt you're gonna speak. So this is pretty much it how you do it. If you're gonna have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I'll write it down below in the comments that it helped you. You can like this video so when other people come here they will know what to do. General, communication on, and push to talk. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.